Hi everyone, vanakkam eppadi irkeenga? Welcome back to Kamu's Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Without any further delay, let's get started. Start by taking 250 grams of fettuccine pasta in a large pot with salted water. If you couldn't get fettuccine pasta, you can use any pasta. Add the pasta slowly into the boiling pot of water. Stir to keep the pasta from sticking. Check the pasta packaging for cook times. It would probably take 10 to 12 minutes. Today I'm going to add chicken to this pasta. You can add shrimp as well, or you can completely omit both and add just veggies. Generally speaking, kids love pastas, and this pasta is more healthier because I'm using milk to make my white sauce, which is more nutritious. Use strainer to drain the pasta and add little cooking oil, which prevents the pasta from sticking together. Now our pasta looks good. Here I have taken 2 breast pieces of chicken, which is vertically sliced and seasoned with pepper and salt. Take a large deep pan with 2 tablespoons of oil and add the marinated chicken to it and stir occasionally and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. To the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once it gets melted, add the onions and garlic. The finer we chop the onions and garlic, the easier it gets melted in the white sauce, which gives us a great texture. I have used white onions to make this pasta so it blends well with the white sauce. You can use any onion. Saute the onion for 3 to 4 minutes or until it becomes soft. In this, I'm adding 1 cup of mushroom. Mushroom gives great flavor in any kind of pastas. Stir occasionally and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until mushroom gets brown in color. In this, I'm adding zucchini and squash in spiral shape. When it is cooked, it completely dissolves in pasta and still kids enjoy eating it without picking any vegetables. I love this product. It has become an essential item to have in my kitchen. To all the parents, this is the right tool to make our job easier in giving a healthy, nutritious veggies to our kids in a fun way. They will definitely like it. Saute all the vegetables until they all become soft. I'm using here 2 cups of half and half. If it's not available in your nearby store, you can easily substitute with 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of whipped cream. Let them boil and cook for 6 to 10 minutes, and now you will see the white sauce will start to thicken. And this is the perfect time to add the cooked chicken along with the cilantro. As I mentioned earlier, you can substitute chicken with shrimp or any kind of meat of your choice, or just cook with vegetables. And finally, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt to taste. Now add the cooked pasta to the pan and mix them well. I have taken 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Cover the lid and remove from the flame. Let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a quick toss, so letting the pasta rest this way allows to absorb the white sauce very well. This gives a creamy texture to our chicken fettuccine Alfredo pasta to enjoy for our dinner. Yum! Now we can easily prepare the very popular Italian dish at home. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and give me a comment. See you until then. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself and each other.